perfume of the day is Alien Goddess. Between this and the intense version, I'm not sure which one I like more.
This is the latest model in the market, and I'm about to take you on a test drive. And
all these videos were generated using AI, and there are so many use cases for such videos. One of them is you can use them to promote your e-commerce shop. Simply batch create them and then post them on TikTok. You can also use them for affiliate marketing to promote products from sites like Amazon. Best of all, if you have an AI influencer, you can now make UGC content using this website. The website I'm using is TopView. You can find a link to it in the description box below. Once you're at the website, you simply sign up and log into your account. Once you're in your account, you have many options to choose from creating an avatar marketing video to an AI avatar, product avatar, and so on. What's insane is you can batch create up to 3,000 videos at once. And you also have an AI voice generator, so you don't have to use third-party softwares like 11 Labs. On the left here, you get your projects, your assets, and your brand kit. And right here, you get the create section where you can either create an avatar or create videos. I'll show you how I created my UGC video. First, you will have to upload your model. If you don't have an image, head over to Google Image Effects. It's free to generate an image. You can also generate one using Sora. I've already generated mine in Sora. This is the model that I'll be using. So we will simply click here to upload our model, to upload our image. Next, we need to upload an image of the product we plan on promoting. If you don't have a product, to find a product to promote, I'll head over to Amazon and search for a product. Then download a picture of the product and upload it. You get to choose between the manual mode or the auto mode, and then click generate. This is the output we get. Now, you can also use the models that they have uploaded. There are free models there are models that you can use for the free tier, but for other models, you'll have to upgrade your plan.
Enjoying the video thus far? Like, share, and subscribe. It helps boost our videos in the algorithm.
Next, we'll simply create an avatar. You get the option to either upload an audio or to use text to audio. Simply paste your text or import your audio if you record.
With all the drama going on this week, the astronomy, cheating scandal, Love Island madness, tea has been the only thing keeping me sane.
These videos are perfect for UGC, also known as user-generated content. Normally, videos like this cost at least $100 to $500 for an influencer to make them. Now you can simply make them at the comfort of your home using a laptop and a website. Another feature that I really love is the avatar marketing. I'll simply head over to my eBay store. I have a store with eBay. So I'll simply head over to my eBay store and copy a link to one of the products, which I'm then going to paste here. And the website will analyze the product page. This is the section where you get to input your own script of what you want your avatar to say. I used Gemini to write a short ad for the mug. Take your time to generate an ad that doesn't sound superficial or too salesy. Down here, you have some options like the aspect ratio, voice choices, and they have so many options to choose from. You also get to choose an avatar or create one, and then you get to generate your ad. The downside to the free plan is that the videos you get come with a huge watermark. So if you want to use the videos to either run ads on TikTok, you have no choice but to sort of upgrade. They have 3 tiers, or they have 3 plans. The free plan, which is free for life, you get 10 credits per month. The starter plan and the business plan. The starter plan is $19 a month, but it's only about $10 if you pay annually.
And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.